slidey cars.
Let's do it.
It's amazing what these tires can do.
That's wild, right?
It is super
seasons,
wild.
Like, what in the world? Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's the takeoff power. Like, it just puts the power down.
Wow.
You know, you can definitely feel a wheel spin, but it's there.
But you still got control of what's happening. It's wild.
Yeah, you straighten up the wheel and it just wants to go.
Yep.
This is just an ice rink. There's 55.
55
Yep.
miles an hour?
That's not including wheel spin. I saw 80.
Yeah. See if I can even hold it.
That was 112
Oh my god!
on wheel spin.
112? Smokes. I mean, you just drive this whole track sideways pretty much is what you're doing. I mean,
Why skid? I mean, why go straight?
right? Makes it way more interesting.
That right there is just wow.
Yeah.
And I mean, like, let's get into the ice. Even this, I mean, we're avoiding this on purpose.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And you still. Oh, my gosh. It's a 107 on that thing. Are you kidding me?
That's wheel spin, yeah.
Holy smokes.
And it just goes. Woohoo! Love the little sneeze.
I don't even know how you're changing gears at the same time. How do you remember what gear is where?
Yeah, that kind of blows my mind too.
Scott's like, I'm not sure about this.
Woo!
That was fun. Good work, my man.
Thanks for having
Well
us
done.
here.
No, you guys are the best. Honestly.
They didn't even notice it.
Cool.
Dude, it's like a 115 on a wheel spin on that.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Great.
So with all-season tires, there's always this push for technology to reduce compromise so that they work better in every condition. And this is really evident, why we're out here for sports cars in the snow with our Potenza RE980AS Plus. And honestly, this is an event that 5 or 10 years ago really would not have been possible, but through rubber compound technology improvements to expand that envelope of temperatures that they can operate in, as well as features like full depth 3D sipes that provide biting edges throughout the tire's life, we're really able to deliver all of the wet and dry performance that a sports car driver would want, while also being able to deliver really great traction here in a winter setting.